Welcome back to Learnwire. I've got something really cool and exciting to share with you today. Now, it's been a while since I have done anything with JVZoo or Warrior Plus. I don't usually share any products on the channel unless they are really good products. I've got something really fun and exciting to share with you today on this channel. I was going to post this on another YouTube channel and everything would be just fine with that, but I didn't want you guys to miss out on this because this particular product that I'm going to share with you in a minute about has everything to do with what you guys are interested in, which is ChatGPT, which is using AI content and so forth, right? So I know there's been some buzz about GPTs. If we go over here to YouTube real quick, and then I just say, ChatGPT, GPTs, something like that, right? There's going to be a lot of interest going on right here. 115,000 views right here on that one, 17,000 views right there. So introducing GPTs, OpenAI had their own video, 200,000 views right there. So this GPT thing, I did not understand this at all until I went and picked up this product right over here. It's called Quantum AI. Now, this is from some vendors on Warrior Plus that actually produce really good products. This is an educational type product that's going to teach you everything that you need to know, at least right now in the beginning, about using GPTs and how you can use it to your advantage. I didn't know anything about it, but then I just took this course and I went and built my own first GPT. And I could have went and maybe found some more information about GPTs, how to build them and so forth. But it's really nice to have somebody else take you through it in an organized way. And so I really like the way that these guys put together this training. So it's very organized. You'll see right over here, they take you step by step to show you why this is actually a pivotal point and why this is actually going to become very, popular and cutting edge. And if you get in right now at the ground before it becomes really popular and there's tens of thousands of GPTs created, you can actually go out there and create your own right now, because here soon, you'll see right down here, GPT store launching very soon. They go over that. So OpenAI is going to be launching the GPT store, much like in ChatGPT. If we come over here into plugins, right? So plugins for the last 6 months or so have been very big, right? So we can come over here and go into GPT-4, and then maybe I want to go in and look at plugins over here. And then I scroll down, I go into the plugin store. And if I go to all right over here, you'll see that there's 131 pages of plugins right over here. So plugins are really great, but the difference between plugins, being able to create, we're talking about creating your own product, right? You have to hire a developer to create these plugins, unless you have that talent yourself. Most people, probably less than 1% of people, would be able to go out here and code their own plugin, attach it, and do all those server things that you have to do. And let alone the coding of the plugin, and then combine all that together with ChatGPT. Then you've got your plugin code. You got to merge them together. They have to be able to talk to each other and so forth. There's a lot of techie developer stuff going on just to get one of these plugins launched on the store. So what we're talking about with GPTs, it's like the next version of plugins where you can actually create plugins that still go out and do all kinds of things. They can go live on the internet. They can do research. You can provide it coding. You can provide it connections, provide it data if you want to go that techie route. But to create a simple GPT, you can actually do it very quickly and easily. So if you want to go and pick this up, they actually show you how. I got this morning. I went through the training. I went and created. I'm going to show you my GPT that I just created right now. And you can go and pick this up right here. I believe it's only $17 right here. And you can go and pick it up and you get all this training right here. Just a ton of training on how to create GPTs, how you can get traffic to your GPTs, how you could send people to a free one, but then also have an advantage of using that because we can drop our link in there. And then we can go and share this. We could give the GPT away for free to your audience. But you could also charge for this, right? Because there is a way in here that you can go and actually make it to where only people with the unique link can use it. And so then you can actually right now today sell GPTs as well, which is super cool. So they go over all of that, how to get traffic, how to monetize GPTs, but most importantly, why they're important right now and how to actually create them. So they have a really good tutorial how to make your very own GPT. This was extremely valuable to me because in a condensed 10-minute video, they basically showed me how to create a GPT from scratch. And then, of course, with my experience and so forth, I can take that and really run with it and do a lot of really cool things. So I thought that this training would be great for anybody that's looking for a business opportunity, that's maybe confused on this. GPTs I was aware of in the last few weeks. And I know that some people they just came out just a couple weeks ago. Some people, have taken it and run with it already. But it was one of those things where, I kind of didn't want to get into it because it was a little overwhelming. And I kind of didn't want to go into all that, but it's actually way more simple to create them than I even thought. I'm so glad I picked this up. Quantum AI, link below. Now let's go. And I'll show you what I just created from scratch. And I created this in about 10 minutes. So I'm going to go over here and I created this one called video trending. So I actually have somebody else in my 6-figure Freedom Club group that created this other video, probably like a similar tool. They created this and shared it with the group as well. So that's why you see another one up there. But right here, video trending, I'm going to click on it, right? So video trending topics tool. I wanted to call it YT trending topics, but it actually flagged me. So for whatever reason, you can't, even because I know you can't use brands, right? You can't say YouTube trending topics tool because that's trademarked. But YT, I didn't know that but that got flagged, right? You can't use YT because it basically stands for YouTube as well. And so they didn't really like that. So I went ahead and just renamed it Video Trending Topics Tool. Right over here, it actually created our logo for us. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. This trend line right here, I told it to do that. I told it to put a play button there. So this is unique. I created this. No one else has created this. It even says, it pulls your name. I think this OpenAI pulls your name from your account. So it actually has my middle initial right there. I'd like to kind of change that and just have it first and last name, but nonetheless, it's not a big deal. But it does have my name right there, right? So I suggest viral YouTube ideas based on your keywords. Now check this out. You could click on these starters right here if you wanted to, but what I'm going to show you is this right here. We're going to go and I'll do a couple of these for you, but right now, let's just say I want to go into, we'll do a couple on this. Actually, let's just do something that I know of the market. I'm going to type in my broad niche, right? And I'm going to push enter. So the way I designed this, designed this GPT is it's very specific in what I want it to do. So video trending topics tool, affiliate marketing is a popular niche on YouTube with a variety of angles to approach it. Here are 10 video ideas with engaging clickbait titles designed to capture the audience's attention. And so you can see some things going on right here, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. So we have secrets revealed, top 10 affiliate products that earn me $10,000 a month. How I turned my blog into an affiliate cash machine. This little known affiliate strategy tripled my income. So we're getting these topics right over here. And then I tell it to pick the top 3 that it likes right here. And a lot of times when I use ChatGPT before this, I would say also pick one out for me too. And it would always just pick the top 3, right? So if you think about like a robot or AI, right? It might have like different steps where it's going to produce the highest quality content in the beginning. But in this GPT in the back end where I'm instructing it to what I want it to do, I really go into depth on which one to pick. And you can see right over here, it did not pick them in any particular order. It literally grabs all these and it really does tell me which ones it thinks has the most virality potential. Top 3 picks for highest viral potential. How I turned my blog into an affiliate cash machine. And then, it'll give us a little bit of information right here. This title promises a practical, relatable success story and actionable tips. Watch me set up a successful affiliate campaign live. Live demonstrations are engaging and provide real-time value, attracting a wide range of viewers, and affiliate marketing on a budget 100 to 1,000 challenge. Challenges are popular on YouTube. So it picked those ones. Really, really cool. Now, it actually did do something. We're going to go test out a couple more because this is the first time I've seen it just directly come out here and just give us the titles. Maybe it gets smarter each time it does it. But we're going to go and check out test it some more because I've seen it will go online and actually search for trends and so forth. But maybe because this affiliate marketing has already been done, like I've already used that topic, maybe it kind of got smart, if you will. And that's why it was able to jump into this right away. But then look at right over here, I've added this, and this is kind of what they teach you in Quantum AI, which is super cool. They're going to teach you all these different things that you can do. But in here, I added this part right over here. These ideas target different aspects of affiliate marketing. And then right here, to learn how to make 6 figures on YouTube, go here. And I have one of my links right over here. And this is really just for testing right here. Now I will leave a link so you guys can go and test this out over here as well. But we have this right over here. If people click on that, so imagine what's going to happen, guys. So I have this webinar right here that people can go sign up for. But imagine what's going to happen when you're first to market and before they have 100,000 GPTs in the App Store, they're going to come out soon with a GPT store, and every GPT that you create, you'll be listed publicly in the store. And when people start using the tool for free, you're going to have the potential of getting free traffic to your offer or link right over here. Okay. So it's really, really powerful. It's really cool. Let's go do a couple more actually. So I'm going to go click over here. I'm going to go to my tool right over here, and I'm going to say something like slow. Let's just do, I'm going to say grilling tips. So the way that I created this was that we want it to take the seed keyword or the broad keyword, which is grilling tips, and then it's going to create the YouTube titles. And we don't want the titles. I've instructed it also that the titles should not be longer than 70 characters, because after 70 characters, that's when on YouTube it gets cut off. Like if you have a YouTube video, if you have your title longer than 70 characters, it gets cut off and people can't even see the title anyways. So it's really optimal to go with the 70 characters or less route. Okay. So again, we have the video trending topics tool. Grilling is a popular topic, blah, blah, blah. Secrets to grilling perfect steak, grill like a pro, transform. So this is great for starting YouTube channels and going with, viral type topics. And then also having great YouTube titles. It's doing all that work for us. The top 3 right here. So grill like a pro, 5 common mistakes, ultimate grilling showdown, gas versus charcoal, world's best marinades. And then right over here, we can say, give me 10 more. And then it's going to go out there. And you're using ChatGPT, but you're already prepping your tool with exactly what it wants to do. It doesn't have to go and do all this thinking. It already has a bunch of instruction in the back end that you can go out, and then it's going to give us the 10 more, right? Now let's go with something really, really specific. So I'm going to say Christmas cookies right here. So we're going to type in Christmas cookies and see what it's going to go with for us right here as well, because Christmas is coming up and so forth. So the Great Cookie Challenge, baking 100 Christmas cookies, blah, 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 all this stuff. So it's going to give us our, all of our titles that we want right over here. Vegan Christmas cookies, that's cool. The top 3. And it's picking the top 3 for us right there. So really, really cool stuff. All right, so I noticed that through this, although it's still doing a great job, just with, I'm brand new to GPTs, and we have, you have your list of all these GPTs and so forth, but right over here, if I go to my GPT right over here, and then when we put in, like, for example, guys, slow cooker, it should go out right away, and it should actually be researching the internet, and that's not working. If I go over here and go to edit GPT, this is where you can do all kinds of sort of things. We have our configuration over here. You can see I've instructed it right over here. You must use web browsing functionality to research the niche and so forth. So there's, how I built this GPT. If we scroll down here, you can see we definitely have web browsing and images and so forth turned on. Now, if I'm in the playground here and I try slow cooker, you will see that it does right here. This is what's supposed to happen, right? So video trending topics, it is researching the internet right here as we speak. This should turn purple or pink right here. And while it's going out and doing research for us, I have no idea why it is not doing that for me. Maybe I just need to come back in a little while or something. But certainly in the playground or preview area, the testing area of my GPT, it's working fine. But when I go out there to the public area, it's not really doing that. It's just kind of operating like GPT 3.5. So that's something that I'm going to keep my eye on and so forth. If any of you guys are on know about GPTs, let me know what you think, because I have web browsing turned on. It is definitely doing its job right over here in the playground. But then when I go to the public version of it, it is no longer doing and it was doing that even before I made the video today. It was doing this sort of thing right here where it goes out and it finds websites using Bard. It's going to find websites that are, have to do with slow cooker, and it's going to go and find some trending topics and so forth. You can see it's still running right over here. It actually visited YouTube as well. Then now right here, we're on insanely good recipes. So it's actually taking a little while, probably about 5 minutes, but it's going to be doing this based on internet research for us. And this is the way that I want my GPT to work. And let's see, it errored out. Let me see if I can get this other one built that Josh built. And let's just say if I go slow cooker here, he built a similar tool with suggesting. So it's going to do research, searching top 50 YouTube keywords, Hamilton Beach, et cetera, et cetera. It's going to go out there and do some research for us. This is how my tool is supposed to be working. And essentially, I just started doing a GPT like an hour ago, right? So YouTube training slow cooker videos 2023. So it's doing all this research for us, visiting youtube.com. So this is going out there and doing all this work with just putting in a seed keyword. So we no longer have to pre-prompt ChatGPT with all this information in order to get it done, because we have built in on the back end, we have a prompt that's going to go out there and do all this for us, which is super cool. And then here it goes. So it actually, so the way Josh has his setup is it's going to give us 40 SEO optimized video titles. So here we go. It's doing this based on his GPT right here. And then it's going to give us right here, the above titles are suitable for faceless YouTube channel, faceless YouTube videos. And then down here, maybe these ones are, the above titles are suitable for faceless YouTube videos as well. So it's going out there, but a lot happened in the background before it came up with these, right? So super cool stuff. If you guys want more GPT's content, just say GPT, comment GPT below, and I'll make more videos on this. Maybe we'll create some custom GPTs together and so forth. This is really, really fun to see what you can create. Remember, these are all going to be going to a public GPT store that's coming out very soon. You don't want to miss that. So you could create as many GPTs as you want. Make sure that they're high quality. Don't just spam it. Make sure that they're really useful and good, and test them out. This was working really good before I made my video just now. And then all of a sudden it is not working the way that I want it to right now. It's just jumping right into this, but then it's not doing the, spinning and the internet thing, but that's okay. I'm going to keep looking at it and so forth. But if you guys want to go and if you want to jump into this and learn what I learned in less than an hour and start creating your own GPT, I do recommend going and picking up Quantum AI from these guys. It's a good product, educational product, but this isn't one of those crap Warrior Plus products. This is actually a product that can help you, learn something new and apply that knowledge to something that potentially could build you a business or make you money in the future. Okay. So link below. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.